Today we're doing a video here, and yes, we're doing a DIY. I have never done one in my channel. So here, where we will need it's a water bottle, some glue or glue stick or hot glue. I'm using good you that you can't use. No, this is the worst one. I got it. Yeah, my mom's gonna check if she has some glue sticks, cause we don't have glue sticks, like glue sticks, hot glue sticks. There. So you need to cut this, and this will lead you to this. And then you need to grab like a notebook, I don't know, a design, and I put it like my name, and you can use, if you don't want to guess the glue you're using, like me, that I use it in stupid things, you put here, and grab, that was a lot of glue. Maybe you know how to glue it to my phone case. I'm busted. If I glue it to my phone case, I'm dead. I mean, to my phone. Okay, so like this would be the DIY. I hope you like this video. Well, here's my phone actually, and here's the other pop socket I made. But this one's actually more bigger. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do because this is a short video. Let me make another one is that I don't have more water bottles. That's the problem. I cannot do another. But I'm gonna try to make another video without a water bottle or hot glue. Well, you need glue, so I don't think I'm going to be making the without no glue video because that would be pretty hard. Or I'd say with no glue, I'd rather use tape. So goodbye, guys. And I already have that's old. So goodbye, guys. And I'm gonna be putting all my channels. Aiden and Lee tonight are friends, but I'm not in his team. So just go, and if you want some more DIYs, like this video and subscribe. And we'll be seeing you on the next one. Bye, bye, bye. Well, actually, I'm doing a comic, and I will show you when I'm done with that comic. Yeah. No way. I gotta wait. It's on late.